Good evening, my beautiful Sazzy ladies. This is Miss Donna with Sazzy's Lingerie, located in downtown Overland Park. Tonight, we are going to be talking about Kegel balls. This is a brand new product that we're carrying in our store, and I'm personally using it at this moment to just kind of test it out because I like to do that with everything for you ladies, and I wanted to share a few things with you. So why would you use a Kegel ball, right? So let's go into a little scenario. So let's say you're out to dinner with that very special someone in your life. You have on a beautiful dress, your makeup is done, your hair is done, your nails are done, and you've got the music in the restaurant. You have roses, you have candles, you have an amazing partner right across from you, and you're enjoying your evening. It is like an amazing evening. And then all of a sudden you feel that sneeze, and you sneeze, and then you've got that little leak. Now what happens? Well, you can't do anything, so you continue with the evening, and then, oh my gosh, a joke is told, and now you start to laugh, and here comes another leak, and oh my gosh, now we're just embarrassed. So what can you do to help prevent something like this from happening? That's where these Kegel balls come into play. So as you get older, or as you have children, your pelvic floor starts to kind of loosen up a little bit, so you're not as tight as you used to be. Back in the day, before all that, you could laugh, you could sneeze, and you wouldn't have any leakage. Well, now that you're getting older and you've had those body experiences, you're not able to do that as much. So, Kegel balls. So you're going to open it up, and of course, there's this wonderful book that has all these different instructions, and you have 3 different sizes. You have the first one, then you have your second one here, and then you have your third one. Ta-da! And they all have a different weight, all right? So you'll start off with the first one because it's a little bit of a lighter weight and it's a great beginner piece. So you'll lay down on the floor, make yourself comfortable, and then you'll insert this into you and just relax, all right? Then you'll squeeze your muscles, let's say to about the count of 5, and then you release. And you squeeze again for 5 and you release. Eventually you can squeeze up to like maybe 10 seconds and then release. You can do this as many times as you want. Some women I know do it like 5 times, like 5 repetitions. Other ladies I know do about 10 to 20. So it just kind of depends upon where you're at. Then as you get really comfortable with that, then eventually you can work your way up to the second weight. This is a little bit heavier. And then your third weight is very heavy. And that takes a little bit of practice to do that, but I know you can do it. So now, once you've done all of that, then you can be out to dinner or just out in public and you can laugh and you can sneeze and you don't have to worry about any leakage. So if you have any further questions, feel free to stop by the store and we can discuss it, or you can also contact your OBGYN or any medical provider and they can give you additional information. But I look forward to visiting with you again, and thank you so much for watching my video, and be sure to like us down below and subscribe, and you have a wonderful day, ladies. Bye-bye.